So, welcome back to another video. So y'all, today is Thursday, March 3rd, and I'm about to install this wig. So, and I told y'all I wasn't doing the whole ball cap and all of that because I didn't have time. And I don't be liking all of that extra stuff on my edges, because if you got edges, then you know that shit gonna make you look real bald real fast. It is currently 8 something in the morning. About to get Marcus up and ready for school. I am going to get some of my miracle drops in before I do that. I did do my wig last night. I crimped it. So before we get into the install, I'm going to let y'all see that. I'm gonna insert that right now. adjusting that, we're going to jump into this install because sis got somewhere to be early this morning. I'm gonna just use some gel edges with black castor oil on my edges and just swoop them babies back. So y'all, I did use my Fenty Skin on the face this morning. That's why it's just giving a whole lot of, because y'all know I don't play about my Fenty. Y'all know I do not play about my Fenty. I'm just going some more with that edge stuff because I need my edges to be slick down. Alright, we got that. And I still have this black stocking cap on. Yo, I really did a lazy install, but again, I don't want all of that on my hair because I'm not trying to have them problems. So yeah, I'm just going to tighten this up right here and put these bobby pins in on the sides. Stick them into the braid. So I will be using this olive oil with grip gel, this enhancing spray, and my spritz just to lay the front of the lace down. Because as y'all see, she's so cute. And this have castor oil in it, so I don't really mind it being, I need to get some more. I don't really mind it being on my hair, but being as though I can see, it don't really beat on my hair. So that's good. Because I don't like all of that cat. And then I can't see where my baby hairs is. And then before you know it, you pull your baby hairs out. Ain't nobody got time for that. It's 2022. We're not trying to walk around with no edges. I ain't. And I have a couple of videos to edit today. So wish me luck on that. My computer been acting so stupid. Like every time I edit a video and then go to save it, it's just a whole lot of for no reason. Another thing with my baby hairs, I told y'all with this wig, I don't know if I told y'all, but with this wig I didn't do any baby hairs. I didn't pluck it. I just plucked the part. But as y'all seen in the video, I actually did the whole, I want to say the whole outline, the whole headline and everything for this video. So yeah, if anything, I won't be sewing the back down until I get home and doing the actual baby hairs until I get home. So I just want to shake her out first. Shake it, shake it, shake it before I put it on. Shake it, shake it, shake it. The black hat is falling back, y'all. That's why it is good to do the whole install process, but I ain't doing it. I like that I can take this wig off when I want to. So because I literally been putting it on and taking it off, putting it on and taking it off whenever I please. So I enjoyed that. So yeah, y'all, this is my Treasures Beauty wig that I had put on the other day, that y'all will see when I get these videos uploaded. And in that video, I just pressed it out. And then in this video, we got a whole lot of baby. It's giving whole lot of. So yeah, I'm actually going to wear it like this until I come back from where I have to go. Let's see that piece sticking up. We're not doing it. We ain't doing it. So let me just get that down a little more. Because I am going somewhere, I am just going to take this and just do it a little bit until I get back home. Because I don't want all that just laying right there like that. I'd rather it be like, alright, she started. Like you're about to be late to the goods. And I'm gonna use this and just put that right there because, again, it's just got somewhere to go. And I am wearing my headband, of course, because I just is laid weird. Not over here and not yet. So, yeah, all the problems. Oof. I think I'm gonna do a little more spritz just to make sure it's secure, because we're not about to be playing with this wig. I'm going to do this again. We might have to do it again, but we're not about to play. Not today. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna put this other one on top of that. I thought I had a black one, but I don't. And it's just giving a little more coverage on the lace until I get back. Listen, I don't need nobody judging me, because I'm a hairdresser. I'm a hairstylist, and just know when she done and she get back, it's gonna be sweet. So yeah, that is all for now, and I will be back, and we're gonna finish off this hair. So I am back, and I was doing a whole lot of nothing. So as y'all can see, the wig is laid. I just have to do the baby hairs. Do the baby hairs a little real crazy like this, but look, I'm a little out of breath from just running up the steps. And honestly, with the baby hairs, I'm just gonna pluck it a little more, cut it a little shorter, and we're gonna swoop the doop these things. Swoop the whoop. Had to make sure the wig was laid in place first. Had to make sure, baby. So yeah, we're just gonna leave it like that for now, because I'm not going to do it right this second. So yeah, before this, the weave is just giving everything that it's supposed to give. Like, don't play with Treasure's Beauty. I can definitely point you in the direction for some good hair. So I would definitely always be getting good hair, because if you know, you know. Sis only wear the finest of the finest hair bundles, always. Always. And then if it's bundles and I made it into a wig, just know sis made it. Just know sis made it. But anyway, I came up here to get some glue, a nail file, a little clipper, and to come get y'all, because I'm about to do my mom nails real fast before I get into these baby hairs in this makeup look. I didn't show y'all the fit earlier, but I got me on a Stay Blessed Fashion Nova shirt with some tights and these sneakers with some kizzy socks. Kizzy, period. I don't know if I'm gonna sew my wig down. I think I might just bobby pin it. We gotta see. This wig is giving a whole lot of baby. It's giving a whole lot of baby. I'm posting me a picture on Instagram, so make sure y'all follow all my links. All my social medias is gonna be linked down below. I'm gonna do me a TikTok today. Sis been on the road with her TikToks. I'm not super tired today, but I was up early. I didn't really get too much sleep last night, so if I do get tired, just know I need to cut all that off. Yep, I'm gonna do that when I come back. So yeah, let me grab my stuff and I will see y'all downstairs. Alright y'all, so I did my mom nails.
You know,
she didn't want me to show y'all them because she said her hands looked a mess.
Something artificial like you,
but they're so
can't
cute.
connect with a human like me.
It's just a natural white tip
You aren't real,
from
dog.
Kiss
What you're missing is
Nude.
this.
A nude Frenchie. They're so cute.
Why do you don't be like that.
If they think it's hot in here.
We can still love each other. I'm the only one that's cold.
If they too long, I told her, let me know so I can
Yes,
cut
of
them
course.
down for her.
We're good friends.
But yeah, I'm doing my nails one day this week. Not
really
today,
hard,
because I'm
Dawn.
not got good.
And you are one of a kind. You're the nicest guy
And
I've ever
sister didn't
known.
make it out the house today. But we're not going to get into all of that. My camera never focuses when I'm downstairs.
Well, look who we have here.
Marcus, would you like to say hi to the viewers?
Hi.
Do you work here?
Yes, I work in advertising.
Oh, interesting.
Alright, fellas, so.
Oh, right.
I
You
gotta
would have
keep
already known
moving
what
on.
I do
Get
for a job
tired.
if you had actually asked me anything about
As I
myself.
get tired,
yeah,
then
about
I'm
our
taking a
date.
nap.
How'd you like another one?
And if I take a nap, then
Oh,
that
wait!
means nothing's
Nothing
going
is
to
ever going to
happen
happen between us, dumbass.
with this
So what are
car
you doing here?
or this
I'm here to do an
beautiful
inspection of
place.
the building. I have a job at Smart Plus headquarters, and your building's been acting up. So brace
So, yeah.
yourself
I'll
and
see
see
you
if
when I
this
go back
has a face
upstairs.
here a lot more often.
Awesome.
Alright, so yeah, I'm back upstairs. I need to get my clips. So yeah, so now we're just going to jump into these baby hairs because they need a little swoop to boot, mope to boot, a little fixation. Alright, y'all, so since I told y'all about my sides, now say I'm gonna just put a little dab of this Kiss lace front wig. Well, the Kiss Almighty Bind for your wig. And I'm literally just gonna dab that right there. Just so all this can stay right there. Because I gotta go downstairs and get my bag because sis bought her a new liquid eyeliner today because I needed it. I don't think that was the only thing I read. Only because I had to run into the dollar store and grab something. For my mother. So I just grabbed me some lashes. Some liquid eyeliner. It's just crazy because I thought I was supposed to go somewhere. And I wound up not doing it because of other people, so it slowed me down. And I just was around, just chilling all day. Doing stuff that ain't had nothing to do with my video. And now it's about to be 8:30. It's about to be 7:30. And I'm about to try to do my makeup. It don't make no sense. But since I started and I'm on a roll and I got the energy right now, we're gonna keep it going. So as y'all can see, I just did 3 little swoops for my baby hairs. Listen, I should have cut this wig long before I cut the lace off because it just didn't make no sense. I ain't gonna do that. So yeah, I already done wasted a lot of time, so we're gonna jump into this look. I'm using a whole lot of everything. I should place it on my bed, but y'all, last time I did that, it was a disaster. And then kids be on my bed. I don't need to be fighting her. But at the same token, I am going to arch my brows before I do anything. I'm going to clean my face with this witch hazel. And I'm going to do my brows. And then from there, we're just going to jump into a makeup look. I have been doing my foundation and stuff first before my brows. But sis been watching a whole lot of I've been watching a whole lot of makeup tutorials, and I'm gonna do my brows first, see how it works, and then we just gonna keep going. As y'all know, all my brushes is clean, so that's a good start. Give me a second. Alright, so yeah, we about to jump into this video. So I'm gonna try not to text as much because that be slowing me down, and I gotta keep going. I want to do a TikTok. Listen, you always know I want to do a TikTok, but I haven't seen no videos that I want to do for my makeup look. What is it? And like I said, we're gonna jump into this video. So let's go. Alexa, play music.
Here's a station you might like. Rihanna on Amazon Music.